We are here at 5424 Williams Boulevard in Seminole, doing a sewer inspection. We are at the base of the stack, the 3-inch vent stack on the master bath. You can see already there's a bunch of rust and debris in the line. Looks like this place has sat vacant for quite some time. Trying to see if I can find a clean out, or at least where it exits the house. It's really bright on the roof, so it's making it hard to see on the camera. I'm going to pause this video and find out where we're at. I think at 35 feet we ought to be out the back side of the house. Alright, so found that the sewer goes out to the front of the house. I've got a spot marked 8 feet off the front of the house and 3.5 feet off the driveway. And I've got a marker on the ground there. Go ahead and push and see if we can get out to the city tap. Big pile of rust there. And some roaches. Alright, here we are 55 feet into the city tap. So we'll pull out from here and drop down the other vent stack and see what we can see. Alright, we are in the base of the stack in the other bathroom on the other side of the house. Obviously we've got some rust and debris in this line as well. A piece of that, there we go. More roaches. More debris. Looks like we're holding a little water due to the debris in the lines. That looks like it should have been the tie-in for the other bathroom at 50 feet or so. I'm going to pause this video and go make sure I'm where I think I am. Alright, so we're definitely past the other bathroom. We're basically in the front corner of the garage. That little jog right there ought to put us into the main drain out to the street again. 65 feet, yeah, we're definitely not that far. So we'll go ahead and pull out. Don't see any cracks or breaks in the pipe, but there is definitely a ton of debris in the line.